17,009. Remember, the closing low last week was 69.58. The Nifty starting at 17,000, slightly below that, in fact, now. 69.86, 69.73, 69.70, 69.60. So, well, pretty much in line with what the SGX Nifty was telling us. It's realigned itself very fast with the SGX Nifty, 16,939. Not a single stock on the Nifty is gaining except ICICI Bank, which is starting about 1% higher. So can that fight for the bulls? Let's see. But the gaining list ends there. The Bank Nifty starting 420 points lower. In terms of individual names, the FMCG names are seeing a bit of a pain. So Britannia is down about 2.5%. Commodities, Hindalco and Tata Steel both down 2%. BPCL is starting 2% lower. And then the big pressure point for the market is once again HDFC Bank. That's down about 2%. In fact, this year now, HDFC Bank is down 10%. And this includes that rally that we had on the day of the merger announcement. HDFC this year is down 16%, down 2% today. ONGC is down, Larsen & Toubro is down. The Nifty is finding some support at 16,950. But even ICICI Bank is actually giving up the morning gains. So it looks like a bit of a brutal morning, at least for the large cap. Sonia, over to you for mid caps.
ICICI Bank is, it's holding up now, but yes, it was up 1.5%. Now it's up about 0.5% or so. So just about keeping its head above water. Not a good opening at all. Look at the mid-cap index, down almost 400 points in opening. Slipped below the 30,000 mark on the mid-cap index. That's 1.5% gone there. Market breadth is very weak this morning. 1,900 stocks on the declining declining space. Future consumer is the one that is completely knocked out. So down 20% on future consumer there. MMTC, SAIL, NMDC, NALCO are your top losers. Sugar stocks are all under pressure. Bajaj Hindustan is down 2.5%. BPCL, it's cut its losses, but still down about 2.5% or so. IOC, SBI, Federal Bank are all in the red right now. Let's check what's bucking the trend this morning. Adani Wilmar, well, no surprises there. Up about 2.5% on Adani Power and Adani Wilmar. Power Grid holding up a tad bit. ICICI Bank just fighting for the bulls, but unsuccessfully. Otherwise, it's a very weak opening for the market. Couple of stocks, though, that have been bucking the trend. So Adani Power, Adani Wilmar are at fresh 52-week highs. Talking about 52-week highs, Borosil Renewables is at a fresh 52-week high as well. Vinity Organics is at a fresh 52-week high. So there are some stocks that are bucking the trend for news. But other than that, it is a very weak opening. In fact, the Nifty is now down over 200 points, Prashant.
I mean, yes, the SGX was indicating earlier on, Sonia. So it's a big gap down, and everything